Hi, my name is Michael. I'm the training coordinator here at Respond, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Bloodborne Spill Kits. It's very important to have some type of tool to clean up blood should there be an accident at your facility. Now, the different types of accidents, you could have a minor accident, paper cut, maybe you have a scrape or something of that kind, and if you have a first aid kit, that will probably take care of that. Your regular Band-Aids, and you have your gauze pads, and if you need to wrap something, this will do it. But if there's a spill of some sort, somebody gets cut and there's a large amount of blood, maybe a head wound, you're going to need something a little more robust to deal with that situation, because post-exposure is a reality. And we actually have what's called a universal spill kit. And there are several items in here that will help you deal with that type of cleanup. And it's not only for blood, it could be if somebody has an upset stomach and they get sick in your work facility, this is fantastic for that as well. It comes in a wall-mounted plastic box, and there are several items. And it actually can hang right next to your first aid cabinet, which I would encourage so everybody knows where it is. Some of the content that you'll find inside of your box, you'll have a set of gloves. Of course, you need those. That's the first line of defense for universal precaution, bloodborne pathogens. Then you have an apron. Of course, you want to protect as much of your body as you can, and these are fantastic. You have a combination mask. It will not only prevent from inhalation, but splashing. So it's a really good product to have. Then you have a Red Z fluid solution, and what this is basically, or solidifier, what this is, it's like a sawdust, and it actually makes it more of a solid than a liquid, and you can sprinkle that on top. And then you have an actual, it's like a dustpan with a little scooper. Really handy because you don't want to contaminate another dustpan that you have in your facility. And then you have your Sanizide surface cleaner, because many times the cleaners that you have at work won't be adequate to clean this type of spill. This is designed for that. Then you have your red biohazard bag. Really important to place this in something that you're going to be able to identify as contaminated. Then you have your twist tie. So tighten that up in a nice neat bag so you can dispose of it. And then you have your paws wipe. After you remove your gloves and everything's done, you can clean up with this before. And I would always recommend that you go to a sink to clean yourself up as well. Soap and water. And then you have an identification tag to tell you what the contaminant is. Very important to have that information for someone that might be dealing with it. So that's it in a nutshell, what's in a spill kit. It's very important, and I think every work site should have at least one. So your first responders or anybody responding to an accident or a spill has the proper tools to deal with it. That's it for today. Thanks so much for checking out the video. And hey, remember, safety is everybody's job. Take care.